Okay, so now it kind of depends. I don't always do what I'm about to do, where I'm going to actually like go in and clean up edges. Not on all the characters, but on some I'm going to do it. It's just clean up in some of these spots where like I maybe had trouble during my drawing phase. I was having trouble hitting something, and it starts to look a little bit overworked. Like the paper starts to look overworked. I really don't like that. It bothers me. So pull them out like here, this, this bit. It's the beauty of Photoshop. If something's bugging you that much, change it. Holding down Shift key when I'm using right now I'm using the polygonal lasso tool. Different than the one I usually use, the one that, the freeform like regular lasso tool. This is allowing me to get really clean angles really quick. And it works especially well in some of these parts where I was doing very hard angles, freehand. It's like it kind of matches up. This is a slightly more mindless task. This is more like a production cleanup for my drawings, but I don't mind it.